My name is Zoe. Today we're gonna make pancakes.
Alright, let's start the ingredients.
We add the pancake flour.
Okay, then?
Next, we add the water.
Okay.
Now we mix it.
Is Zoe cooking? Are you having fun, baby? Okay.
We add the chocolate chips.
Okay.
More chocolate chips.
Wow, you're having fun. Whoa. It's okay. Are you playing now? Are you playing?
This is a different way how to mix it.
Yeah? Okay.
I learned it.
Okay. Now leave the batter for 5 minutes. Okay?
5 minutes later.
Okay. Now pour the batter. Pour the batter inside. No, you can put it in one spot. You don't have to do like that. Okay. Quickly. You gotta be quick, Nana. You gotta be quick, Zoe. Okay, spread it out a little bit. Do you want me to help you flip? Because it's hot. Yeah, I can help you flip, okay? See, this is Zoe's pancake. Yeah, you can hold. Okay, you gotta be careful, okay? Because you're close to the gas.
It looks like an egg.
That's okay. You made it by yourself.
Now, tell me when to flip.
How does it look like? What kind of shape is this? Is it round, circle?
Yeah.
No, it's not circle. You need to spread a little bit of butter.
We making a good pancake. I did it, Mama.
Yay, your pancake is done. Is your pancake taste good?
Yeah.
It delicious? Okay, let's see. How does it look? What did you add it? Is it what is that thing? Maple syrup? Okay. All right, then this was Zoe's first time making a pancake. All right, say bye to everyone. Say have a nice weekend.
Have a nice weekend.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video.
And give it a thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.